Meet Jack, a DIY enthusiast who loves welding but struggles with the inconvenience of using multiple machines. Recently, a friend gave him a new machine from Simder, which changes everything. In 2023, Simder launched a crowdfunding project on Kickstarter and achieved our goal, thanks to our backers who believed in our vision. Today, we're back with another groundbreaking project. Introducing the latest SD-5010 Pro 5-in-1 welder with MIG welding, TIG welding, stick welding, hot stapler, and soldering iron functions. This machine offers unparalleled convenience. From MIG welding to soldering, the SD-5010 Pro 5-in-1 welder does it all, saving time and space. Jack, inspired by his new machine, decides to assemble a non-assembled radial and build a custom metal box to store it. Using the versatile SD-5010 Pro 5-in-1 welder. With MIG, TIG, and stick welding functions, Jack creates a sturdy metal frame and box, ensuring durability and precision. With the soldering iron function, Jack expertly solders the components onto the radial's main board, ensuring a flawless finish. This is almost done. Jack encounters a broken plastic shell. With the hot stapler function of the SD-5010 Pro, he repairs it easily. Now it's all done. Established in 2017, Simder Welder specializes in innovating and producing welding machines, plasma cutters, and home maintenance tools. Innovation is our mission. We greatly value customer experience and are dedicated to developing and providing increasingly convenient solutions for home repairs. Thank you for your support to Simder.